Hi and welcome to Penser Bank and our analyst presentation on Nordic LEVEL Group. My name is Markus Almerud and I'm an analyst here at the bank. So Nordic LEVEL Group is a full service provider of security services and equipment. We have a fair value range of 320 to 340 and the share is currently at 170. So we're here with a quick update after the share has come off after its Q3 some weeks ago. We'd like to make a couple of points on where we think the company is in its journey towards 1 billion revenues in 4 to 5 years. So starting with the revenues. When Nordic LEVEL and Confidence merged in May of last year, the two had a combined 300 million kronor in revenues. Since then, it's made a number of acquisitions and it's also grown organically. For instance, in Q3 alone, it grew 9% organically. Annualized revenues are currently at around 500 million krona, or about half of the targeted level. So the market continues to be healthy, but its acquired units also perform very well. For instance, Corepart, the company it acquired earlier this year, has a new concept, security as a service, which seems to be working very well. And in conjunction with the Q3, the company sent out a separate press release saying that Corepart is performing better than expected. About the margin. So the margin trend keeps improving and the trend seems to have turned a corner. So adjusted EBITDA was improving for the third quarter in a row and was positive in Q3 for the first time in over a year. So it's focusing on profitability, and in this work it's gone through all of the contracts it has, and as a result it has for instance chosen not to renew a contract with SL, the provider of public transportation in Stockholm. The contract was loss-making and we should hence see positive contribution from this in coming quarters, and this is just one example of them focusing on profitability. The bottom line here is Nordic LEVEL has a lot to prove, but top line is growing, the margin trend has turned a corner, and it keeps being very active on acquisitions. So further improvement on earnings and more M&A are the key catalysts for the share. Thank you.